Davos Debates Contest, an initiative of a Sustainable Development World Model in 15 points as an abstract of the whole proposal. 1. The aim of this initiative is to promote institutional release of Sustainable Development Fourth Sector World Model. The missions are, on one hand, to inform the international community of the institutional blockage of the world model, and on the other hand, to promote institutional release under the basis of this directive. The phases are launch, establishment, and running. The goals are to create 7,000 companies, 800 million jobs, a billion 35 to 40 GDP constant euro per year, 35 million product units called business leisure bonus, BLB, repopulation of 24,000 empty or half-empty rural counties, and the new resurgence from the global crisis of humanity. Therefore, the final goal is global poverty eradication and the UN UNESCO requirements. 2. Geographical location. As you can see, 7,000 companies will be placed, and no business will be located in the so-called rich countries or developed economies. 3. Main figures, magnitudes in prototype enterprises as detailed in the World Model proposal. 4. Financial issues. It's entirely self-financed. 5. Human capital priorities. First is people, second, property, third, international organizations and the legal arbiters of the rights, obligations, and legitimate interest of persons. 6. The legal format of the commercial foundation model is foundation and will be universal. 7. Mandatory distribution of 70% of the proceeds of altruism and philanthropy applied to 1,200 million of poor people. 8. Pace of enterprise deployment. A first step will be to create 150 companies per country as pilot scale project in 2010 and 300 firms per year from 2011 and beyond. 9. The chain of beneficiaries will be, as you can see, directly to 2,000 million people from the site of permanent employment and indirectly 4,200 million people. 10. The model contributes to the treasuries of each 150 states, receiving 20% of annual gross profits per firm. 11. General terms of employees. The salary will range from 500 euros per month to 5,000 euros per month, including overalls and perks. 12. Rational sources of employment and distribution of professional categories. Leadership 2% of workforce, management 6%, qualified personnel 42%, and qualified personnel 50%. 13. Housing company. 14. Intellectual property law. This fourth sector sustainable development world model has been registered at the Intellectual Property Registry of Madrid with the number 0000389-2008 April 16, 2008 and .15 Heritage of Humankind under UNESCO basis. For more information, see 4ECOSEC.org.